Hey viewers, this is Hunter and Orion from SOT Airsoft doing a gun review on the Walther P99 CO2 blowback pistol. First things first, this gun clocks in at a strong 360 to 400 FPS with .20 gram BBs. The mag holds 15 rounds. The weight of this gun is 2.2 pounds. The thing I like about this gun is that the mag itself, you don't put CO2 in it, but you actually put CO2 in the handle part of the gun. And we'll show you how to put the CO2 in now. So you take the back guard off the handle, put the CO2 in there. There's a little screw thing at the bottom, tighten, and then put the guard back on the handle. It's ready to go. The sights on this pistol are standard 3 white dots. This thing is about full metal except for the handle and the trigger guard. It has a tactical rail for lasers and flashlights. And we'll go outside and do a test fire of this thing, see how it shoots.
Alright, ready to shoot.
Hold on, hold fire, hold fire. Everybody loves shooting gummy bears.
Alright, that's it.
And now we eat him. Help me! Oh no, stop.
I just want to help him.
Hold on. Bear back.